Guess we can pop on the front panel and slide in the optical drive. Well, before you slide, let's put the front panel on. Because it's a little bit easier if you have the front panels than having it. Slide the hole in. Should slide in. Uh-oh.
If it's not one side, it's the other.
It's a little bit too big. Okay, that should be none. There we go. Now you can lock in. And I guess, let's see, should we put 2 screws on the other side? Being it's a mini ITX, maybe put 1, I guess.
On what? The sides here or something?
On the other side, yeah.
Other side where?
This side. The non-locking side, these 2. I'll put 1. These screws right here.
Oh, it's right here.
And they don't have to be tight. It can be on there loosey-goosey.
So we're just gonna need 1.
1 should be good enough. Now this
Hey, get the freaking big mic out of the way.
this is totally optional to people, so that's why I'm putting 1. USB 3.0. Let's see here. Here's the handle.
Here's USB. It says USB 1 right there.
There was a manual, unless you want to double check the manual. It should be somewhere in the manual with the layout. There we go.
Oh, apparently that's audio and that's USB. I thought it was a little strange.
And you can put it on one side too.
What? Did not click all the way?
Is that USB? Huh.
It shows right here.
Oh, okay.
I mean, it matches up. The pins match up.
Sometimes you can put on one side of the block.
Oh, there's the USB 3. It's already the power. I'm just gonna get everything else first, though. So. Why are you putting on one side?
Because this only have one USB 2.0, it's kind of wastes of. Oh, maybe I should put on the other side. There we go. There we go.
Just put it on there totally, okay?
Oh.
Because it's fitting right. Like that. It's fitting right like that, so just go ahead and leave it.
And what is that?
Power LED. I just picked one up. Apparently I picked up the power LED.
That's stuff the USB 3.0 and the audio.
The 3.0 is right there.
Nah, it's right over here. See, USB.
Oh.
That's Wi-Fi.
No, I was pointing at that.
Oh, that's the WIO.
Oh. Yeah, I mean, you gotta admit though, you weren't looking at the right thing I was pointing at, so. Jesus Christ.
It should be a notch. Or do you have to slide the power supply?
That's what I'm thinking, but at the same time, I just don't have enough light in there. So that way I can, you know, make sure I'm getting it all lined up. There we go. Okay, I just need some more light.
Oh, this is going to be a cable madness. I'm a little bit OCD about wiring.
Where's the audio?
It should be next to the USB 2.0.
I found it right here.
Hmm.
So apparently the one above the USB is audio. Yep, matches up perfectly. Why aren't you going on?
Dear. Should be a pin block layout.
I was putting it on there the right way.
Oh, that's it. Okay, yeah, okay, you would all put it wide way because that is keyed one way, okay.
Apparently it just doesn't want to go on.
There we go. There we go. And on to the front panel now. So the manual should say
It says front, yeah, front panel right there.
the F panel. But it should give you a little diagram of what that front panel is.
No, it doesn't.
There should be another page.
And it's apparently color coded, but it's not on there.
Somewhere there should be a pin layout. That's USB. There should be another page for the F panel.
Are you talking about that?
There we go. That's for the F panel.
Hey.
There we go.
Leave it the way I got it.
And there was negative and positive. You do have to match too.
There we go. That's better angle for that on my phone. Hey! Stop messing with it.
I know.
Oh.
I'm just trying to make a little hole so I can zoom in.
Oh, okay, that's fine. Oh, I see.
don't be afraid to break out your manual because not every board have their port layout.
Quiet. You're putting it right on my head. Because I could feel you slowly increasing the pressure. Now I'm doing tiny pins. Be quiet.
Oh, power. So,
These two don't have a plus or minus.
oh, okay. Well, I guess it doesn't matter because the switch all it's doing is shorting out. So now the only thing you can leave unplug is
There's a little arrow there, but I'm not sure what that's supposed to mean.
now you can leave the power reset switch unplugged because I left mine unplugged on my custom PC. Does it say the color too?
No?
Okay. Because it looks like they have section color coded.
They do, but it doesn't say the colors in there. Ah, hey. You just moved it in the way. I just realized it looks like it's got plus and minus. But I'm not sure what the tiny arrow on the back is supposed to mean.
I don't know.
Oh, it does say the colors on here.
Oh, okay. I was
Power
looking.
switch is red.
Okay, so that'd be the red section then.
Well, I kind of figured that one out, but it's just I think I see a plus and minus, but it's like it talks about a plus and minus in there, but it doesn't really show one on here.
Well, I think switch, it doesn't matter which way it goes, so it's not a big deal to rotate the connector if it doesn't work out. Then the reset switch, you can leave that sucker unplugged.
Shh, you already said that.
Oh, okay.
Go in there. Come on.
Oh, there we go. Now it's slide on.
That level? Oh, that is.
Now, did that bag come with a beep or speaker or no? No, it didn't come with a beeper. Huh, okay. Yeah, should be like a hell for you. It's coming out the hell. I guess keep the switch panel wiring separate from like the USB 3.0. You can see the little tie down points.
Michael! Stop, stop. I do see it.
Okay.
That's what I'm doing, keeping it separate.
Oh, okay.
No, I didn't realize those were tie down points.
Gosh, that USB 3.0 head off wire was so long.
And thick.
Yeah, so you might have to do like a fancy roll up, like
Nah, you can have fun with that.
oh, okay, you did when you did the USB 2.0 on the front button panel, okay. Okay, that's good. Yeah, there we go. Bundle up like that. There we go. You know that beige case have bundle like that. That's a good thing that you know.
No, I just can't figure out how to bundle it like that on my own.
Well, I think it's like that in the beige case, isn't it?
I don't know. The components aren't in the beige case, remember?
Yeah, but...
It's just got the freaking speakers in there right now.
But some that like the USB wire for your front panel, I believe are like that, well it's bundled.
Don't pay attention.
That's a nice bundle. That's a pretty nice job you did. You did a nice job, actually. Only thing I need to add later is the hard drive, which I do have to transfer from the Dell over to this. You might as well bundle up some of the fans too. Some of the fans. Might as well like bundle that guy up. Oh yeah, do it like that, I guess.
There, bundled up.
Okay. Actually, zip tie that bundle, actually, that'd be a good idea. Alright there, thank you for watching this part of the video. So this part was my sibling was sliding the optical drive and plugging in internal connectors that operate your front panel, so your power switch, your reset switch, your audio, and your USB connector. So the biggest little sometimes you can have a hard time is the power switch and the reset switch and the lights too. So that can be tough every once in a while, depending on what motherboard you choose, because some manufacturers are pretty good about labeling their connector on their board, and sometimes they don't label it. Sometimes you have to look in the manual book to look at it, see which, or you have to look at the manual, see which pin connector is the reset switch and the power switch and the lights too. So that can be hard sometimes depending on what board you get. So and sometimes the good motherboard manufacturer, some product line they don't label it, and some other product line they do label their front panel connector pretty good. So depending on manufacturer, you know, your experience may be different. So and the front optical drive, that is plugged in. I'm not gonna release that part because what happened is I was thinking of originally doing it, but as I was editing it, stuff was getting worse and worse as I edit. I've noticed the file was halfway messed up. Like the beginning looks fine, but when you get to the end, the camera that freaks out. And when it did a pattern, this Canon did a pattern, well, it did a pattern of messing with the file, did fine with the file, messing up with the other file. So fortunately the Canon kinda act weird. And the GoPro was, I had the GoPro for the 4-way shot, so you can see what my sibling, which I didn't get a good camera angle, so I'm still kind of learning how to get a good camera angle with the small day cam. So if the camera didn't, I probably would release one more port, but unfortunately I wouldn't. But yeah, unfortunately, yeah, okay, yeah. So like I said, you know, stuff got messed up. So, but anyway, hopefully most of you have enjoyed the little adventure of my sibling building the PC. I gave my sibling the toughest build right off the bat. Ideally, my sibling should build at least a couple of mid-size PC and bigger size PC. But it's not like I have a lot of PC project I do have in my room. So this was one of those occasion thing I do at once in a while. So and if you're interested of hiring me to build your PC, feel free to contact me. That make sure you click the button to expand the video notes. Click on show me more. If you did click on show me more, you see the channel email address and other stuff, which I will describe later on. So if you're interested in hiring me, feel free to contact me. We can figure out how we can arrange this stuff if possible. So as long as you're not too far away, or as long as you don't mind paying the extra cost of shipping to me. So that's all that matters. So if we can get the transaction figured out. So so anyway, so that's pretty much it. So like I did talk about, the optical drive got plugged in. I'm not including because the Canon was screwed up and the GoPro was not in a good angle. So that's pretty much it. So I will catch you people next time. So I will see you in more of a regular video, or there might be another longer video format. So so it's probably gonna be another video of the week. So yeah, anyway, so I will actually, yeah, if you enjoyed the video, check out the video gallery. But if you don't know how to navigate the YouTube layout, feel free to go in the video notes, and there's a link that will take you over to my video gallery if you want to check it out. Or you can check out my YouTube homepage. So if you want to check out stuff on my homepage, just click on my username in the bottom corner of my video. So there's some stuff you are welcome to check out. And if you still want to check out the video gallery, just hit the video tab on my YouTube homepage. That will take you straight over to my video gallery, the same place as the link. So and if the video caught your interest, feel free to subscribe, and if you want to be up to date of what's going on with the YouTube channel, feel free to hit the bell notification, or follow me on the Google Plus page. I do post the video on Google Plus page too, so you're welcome to do that if you want to. Give the video a like or dislike, whatever you feel like. Then, oh, what else? Oh yeah, check out the video notes. So if you don't click on show me more, you're not going to see it, or if you don't hit the expand button, all you're going to see is a link to the video gallery. But if you click the button to say show me more, it should expand the video notes. So you'll see a channel email address if you need to get in touch with me. Amazon wish list. So if you want to support this this channel, you're welcome to support it. And if you did support the channel, I will give you a whatever shout out you prefer, from your name being out there or from being an anonymous user, you know. So if you're an anonymous user, I'm not gonna say nothing. All I'm gonna say is I have a person who did sponsor the sponsor stuff on my Amazon wish list. Then community detective forums, so you're welcome to say hi if you are signed up with one of those community detective forums. Then if you have any nice positive comment or nice conversation, feel free to post them below the video. So I will see you next time. Alright? I will catch you next time. What the heck is my next door neighbor up to? Oh, sound like a lawnmower. Okay.